Learning how to use discussion boards. A number of assignments are discussions, and you'll see these two comment areas. And when you click into a discussion area, depending upon how the instructor created this discussion, you'll find some directions, and then you'll find a button that says Add a New Discussion Topic. You click that when you want to make an original comment. As you can see, somebody's already commented, and you can visit somebody else's posting and comment on that. But let's do a new discussion topic. So when I click that, you have a couple of things that open, and one of them is the subject area. And you want to put something useful here. Visit my website on schooling. Okay, so put in a good subject heading because that will encourage people to read your work. Now, in the message area, you can type what you want others to read, and maybe you want to put in a link to a website or whatever is required in the assignment. You would do that here. And I'm scrolling down so you can see that often discussion areas allow you to post an attachment. So maybe you want to attach a document that you've used and written somewhere else, so you could use this little add button. I'm going to click the add button, which now brings you to a menu, and in this menu you would click that you want to upload a file if that's the case, and then you would go over to the browse button, which brings you to your computer. Okay, this would be on your computer. You would browse to and find the document that you wanted to upload. And when you're finished, I'll slide this up, you would then click Open, which brings this document into the file picker. By clicking into here, you could put in a name. This is my basic instructions. And you would type in a name that would be meaningful to you. The author in this case is called Test Student because that's how I named myself, Test Student. And when you're finished, you could then upload the file. I would now have both a text posting and an attachment if that's what I wanted. And when I finished, I would click Post Forum. Now, if you did have somebody else that had posted, and this happened to just be me, if you wanted to make a comment on one of your colleagues, you would read their work. Then you would click Reply, and you would be given the same kind of options. And this would be a chance to add more information about what you think about their work. So let's just say it was a good website. And you could keep the subject line the same, and then it would go in under this. You could even click and drag over that and add a different subject. And even to a student, you can attach something as well, and when you're finished you would post that. When you have a combination of posting your own original work and or posting as a reply to somebody else, you see you can start creating a rich discussion. Using these discussion features make it possible to have a dialogue within a distance class.